So first thing I want you to do is write out all of your expenses for the month. Housing, food, utilities, childcare, fun money, going out to eat, stuff like that. Automate your savings. Any of the tips that I would get, I would put them into an envelope, and I did not allow myself to spend them until I was ready. It had a goal written on that envelope, and I didn't touch it until I was ready to move. That was my moving expenses. So next thing is find a side hustle. Be a dog sitter, walking dogs, or maybe you can create things and sell them on Etsy. Maybe you can freelance on Fiverr. Maybe you can do DoorDash. Anything that you're passionate about, I suggest something else and find that side hustle. So hope that helps you. I know it's a quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a great day.